Hello, this is THASNI from Department of Computer Science and Designing from SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see about another topic from the same unit. We call it as implementation techniques, and that we are going to see about the data dictionary. So data dictionary and data storage is nothing but which is exploring the architecture and components of the critical role of the contemporary database. So the evolution of database management system, which is where we can see from the traditional era to modern era. So in the traditional era, the relational database like MySQL and PostgreSQL dominated with the structured schemas and asset components. Modern era is a cloud native architecture. No SQL flexibility, serverless models, and AI-powered optimization transform data management. And the core components of modern DBMS is nothing but the hardware layer, software layer, data store, and security framework. The hardware layer, which implements the high performance storage device, multi-core CPUs, and optimized IO in units. And in the software layer, DBMS engine, intelligent query processor, and advanced optimization algorithm for drive performance. Whereas the data store, operational data combined with the critical metadata stored in comprehensive data dictionary. Whereas in security framework, multi-layer encryption, granular permission, and auditing the protect sensitive information. What is data dictionary? Which is nothing but the centralized repository for all metadata, storing the comprehensive information about data elements, types, formats, constraints, and relationships. Like in the architectural blueprint of your database, a living document ensures the consistency, clarity, understanding of all users and application and systems. Why data dictionary matters, which eliminate the redundancy, enable governance, bridge communication gaps, ensure data quality. Eliminate redundancy is nothing but which prevent the data duplication and conflicting the interpretations across teams and systems. And the enable governance is nothing but which data governance framework, regulatory compliance, and the detailed audit trails. Bridge communication gap is nothing but where we are creating a common language that facilitate, which is in the collaboration with the developers, analysts, and business stakeholders, and which ensure the data quality, enforcing the validation rules, constraints, and integrity checks to maintain high data quality standards. There are type of data dictionary which we call it as integrated data dictionary and standalone data dictionary. So the integrated is nothing but which is embedded directly within the DBMS database with the automatic and real-time updates, which is, we call it as the active approach, where metadata stays synchronized with schema changes. And standalone data dictionary is nothing but which is a separate system requiring manual synchronization, which we call it as a passive model. So implementation technique in the transactional data dictionary storage is nothing but the legacy approach, modern solution, and key benefit. Legacy approach is nothing but the file-based metadata storage with inconsistent formats and crash recovery challenges. Whereas in modern solution, centralized and transactional dictionary with asset guarantees and unified management. Key benefits is nothing but crash safe operation, atomic DDL and uniforming caching, simplified administration. Data dictionary components, which is in practice, is nothing but which is in the data element identity, type and format specification, validation rules, relationship mapping, and the governance metadata. Data element identity is nothing but comprehensive name and detailed description, and type and format specification, which precise the data types, including integer, string, data, decimal, etc. And the validation rules, which allow the values, range, pattern, and business logic constraints. Relationship mapping, which is in a primary keys, foreign keys, indexes, and referential integrity definitions. And then the governance metadata, which is the source system data ownership and stewardship and data information. Next one is the modern trends, which enhancing the data storage usage is AML integration, cloud and serverless, and metadata catalogs. AML integration, which is nothing but which is the automated metadata discovery with the intelligent classification and predictive query optimization powered by the machine learning. And cloud and serverless is nothing but infinitely scalable and centralized metadata service with elastic capacity and global distributed for modern workloads. And metadata catalog is nothing but which is a wide data of governance platform extending beyond traditional into data quality, linear algorithm, etc. So we are coming to the conclusion, which is the backbone of modern database, which is the essential foundation, and the transactional excellence and the future-ready architecture is nothing but in the data dictionary are indispensable for building robust and scalable and secure database management system. And in the transactional excellence, which is the integrated transactional dictionaries, dramatically improve reliability, consistency, and developer productivity. For the future ready, we can implement the techniques to ensure the data consistency and operational excellence in the complex of distributed environments. Thank you.